Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real, just checking in. It's that time of day for a little tea or a little coffee and a little chat from my kitchen. These things. Baby boy eats about 4 of these a day to keep his weight up, along with the other stuff that he eats. I buy these 5 and 6 boxes at a time. I just got back from the grocery store, and it's hot. It's really hot and humid here. I think my car said 94. Anyway, tomorrow in my kitchen, I'm going to have the privilege of having Kathy Sims come and cook in my kitchen. So I'll be videoing that for y'all. Believe me, it will be a blast. Kathy is a retired school teacher and is an avid cook. So she's going to teach me to make, what was it called? Egg roll in a bowl. Egg roll in a bowl. And we're going to do some type of strawberry pie or dessert of some sort, because I had to get the ingredients. And strawberries and strawberry yogurt and Cool Whip. Yeah, but I'm excited about that. What y'all doing today? Have a cup of tea with me. I have been running most of the day, but I did decide this afternoon that I was going to do something for myself. And so I went to see a movie by myself. Sometimes I like to do that, just relax and chill out. And so I went to see the Barbie movie. I was thinking it would be, I don't really know what I thought it would be, but the best thing about the movie, in my opinion, was the popcorn and the peanut M&Ms. And if I'm honest, I fell asleep a little bit after about an hour. I was like, I don't know, I thought it would be more funny and comical, like Toy Story was, or Shrek, those movies. I thought it'd be more comical. I couldn't catch the comedy in it. I'm going to go mow my yard. Sharon, I may do that a little later. Mine needs it. And if my guys don't get to it, I'm going to hop on that lawnmower maybe today, maybe first thing in the morning. It's too hot to do it in the middle of the day here. For me, it's just too hot. And I have fair skin and I don't want to burn and all that. Hot in Arizona, I bet so. And that dry, whoo, yes, it's raining cats and dogs in Memphis, Tennessee, 80 mile an hour wind. Oh, Lily, well, stay safe. We've got a chance of afternoon thunderstorms, but I haven't checked the weather since I got back from the grocery store. Physically worked out this morning. You go, Teresa. Go, girl, go. I actually went with Trevor. I took him to Pete's Grill. We had breakfast, and then we rode around the old neighborhood, and I showed him where his mom and I fished and swam in a pond and rolled down the red dirt embankments and got in trouble and played in a cauldron and lived to tell it. Anyway, we had a great little visit, and then I did a couple errands, and then I decided, you know what, I'm going to go to the movies. Cookie is on the farm. She is outdoors. She'll be coming in a little later. And let's see. Yeah, then I went to the grocery store. Yeah, full day. I'm going to make a peach cobbler dump cake. That sounds delicious, Kim. I fed some of that to Trevor last night, and he really enjoyed it. He said it was delicious. Glad you said something about that movie. I plan to skip it. Debbie, I don't like to be negative Nelly, but that's as honest as I can be. I really thought it would be more comedy and that I would sit and laugh the whole time. But maybe because I didn't play with Barbies a lot. Like, I had a Barbie, I think, but I was raised with 4 brothers, so I didn't really play with dolls a lot. I ended up playing like kickball and Red Rover and roller bat and football and catch lightning bugs and Fox and the Hound and hide and go seek and all those things we did outside. So I wasn't a kid that stayed indoors and played the imagination and that kind of thing with Barbie dolls. But I did think that the movie would be funny. Not so much. I didn't think it was. I'm making peach preserves. That sounds delicious, Donna. I'm waiting for round 2 of the Roma tomatoes to be ripe and more of the jalapenos so I can finish up some cowboy candy and make some spaghetti sauce to can, which I'll share that with y'all as well. was definitely tomboy. Yeah, Lily, me too. I mean, there were other girls in my little neighborhood, but they played outside too. I don't remember having a doll house. Just wasn't my thing. Anyway, yes, I was a tomboy on a farm. Yeah, Patricia, that we always had something to do. We lived in a small neighborhood, and my mom was a stay-at-home mom most of my life. And so the kids kind of gravitated to our house, and we ate out on the picnic table for lunch and stayed outside all day to where we were tired when we got home, and we stunk and we sweated and played hard. And we had to use our creativity to come up with games to play and, play with the other kids in the neighborhood. Anyway, that was a whole nother time, wasn't it? I wouldn't have dared trust my kids outside in this world. No way would I trust that today. I would want to be a hovercraft mom, which I was, and the boys pick on me about it now. They were like, "If we couldn't hardly breathe, you were always a hovercraft." I said, "Yeah, I was, and I don't make no bones about it, because I wanted to try to keep you out of trouble and for making stupid decisions." Anyway, I will see you guys later. I'm gonna finish unloading my groceries and get my thoughts together for supper. And I don't know, I gotta look in the refrigerator and see if I can get by with leftovers one more night, or ham sandwich, because I would love to just have a big old tomato sandwich for supper and be done with it, because it's hot. It was so hot that when I got back in the car from the movie theater, I've got this little dress on, and it burnt the backs of my legs sitting on the seat. It was hot. Anyway, I hope y'all have a wonderful Friday. Happy Friday. The weekend's almost here. And I will see you guys soon. And keep in mind, we are having great, fun stuff coming up. Tomorrow will be a hoot with Kathy Sims, and she's got skills too. So be sure to tune in for that. She's supposed to be here around 10 a.m. So that's what we're shooting for. Anyway, have a wonderful afternoon. I'm having some hemp and papaya, strawberry, and hemp tea. I may relax the body down till supper time. Anyway, thanks for following the page, Cooking, Cutting Up, Keeping It Real. Kim says it's 119 there. Girl, I would skip supper if it was 119. I ain't lying about it. I might have a big old ball of ice cream and be done with it. Anyway, we'll see y'all later. Bye.